Silver just hit a level today that could change everything. And no, this isn't just another small move. This could be the moment where the entire direction of silver decides itself. Now here's the part most people are missing. This isn't just about charts. This isn't just about traders. This is about something much bigger. And strangely, it connects to what's happening in the world of technology, electric vehicles, and the growing influence of names like Elon Musk. Sounds unexpected? Let's break it down. Today, silver didn't just drop or rise randomly. It moved straight into a critical zone, a level where historically markets either reverse hard or explode in the opposite direction. This is what traders call a decision zone. And once price enters this zone, the market doesn't stay quiet for long, because behind the scenes, a silent battle begins. Buyers step in, seeing opportunity. Sellers push back, expecting weakness. And right in the middle of that battle, price starts behaving strangely. It moves up, then suddenly drops, then freezes, almost like the market itself is confused. But here's the truth. The market is not confused. It's waiting for confirmation, waiting for volume, waiting for the final push. And this is where things get interesting, because silver today is no longer just a precious metal. It has become an industrial weapon. Think about it. Every electric vehicle, every solar panel, every advanced circuit needs silver. And companies like Tesla are at the center of this transformation. As the world shifts toward clean energy and EV adoption increases, the demand for silver doesn't just grow slowly, it accelerates. Quietly, consistently, and most people don't even notice it, but big players do. Institutional investors, hedge funds, long-term capital, they track these trends years in advance, and when price reaches a key level like today, they don't panic, they position themselves. Now, here's where the story changes, because while long-term demand looks strong, short-term sentiment is weak. Global tensions, economic uncertainty, and fear in the markets are causing hesitation, and hesitation creates volatility. That's exactly what we're seeing right now. Fast movements, unpredictable reactions, and no clear direction. But here's something important you need to understand. Volatility is not random. It's preparation. Before every major move, the market shakes out weak hands. It creates doubt. It forces emotional decisions. And then, once most people are out, the real move begins. So what we're witnessing today could be that exact phase. A phase where the market is testing everyone, testing patience, testing conviction, testing understanding. Because once this phase ends, silver will choose a direction. And when it does, it won't move slowly. It will move with force. Now, imagine this scenario. If demand from EV companies continues rising and supply remains limited, what happens when buying pressure returns? Prices don't just go up gradually, they spike aggressively. On the other hand, if fear continues to dominate and selling pressure increases, this level could break down, triggering a deeper fall. That's why today is so important, because this is not just another day in the market. This is a decision point, a moment where the next trend begins to form. And the truth is, most people won't recognize it until it's too late. They'll wait for confirmation, they'll wait for headlines, they'll wait for safety. And by the time they act, the move is already gone. But smart observers, they watch moments like this closely. They don't react instantly. They don't panic. They study the behavior. Because the clues are always there. In the volatility, in the hesitation, in the sudden spikes and drops, the market is telling a story. And right now, that story is building towards something big. So the real question is, are you just watching the price, or are you understanding the shift behind it? Because this level, this exact moment, could be remembered as the point where silver changed its direction completely, and the next move could shock everyone. If you want more deep breakdowns like this, where you actually understand what's happening beyond the charts, make sure you subscribe right now. And comment below, Do you think silver is about to break down, or is this the beginning of a massive rally? Because your answer today might define how you see the next big move in the market.